Welcome to our nature bathroom channel. I have a lots of idea about nature bathroom design. Hope you like my video. Get ready to bring the outdoor inside with our easy to follow tips and idea for creating a natural inspired bathroom. We will show you how to use natural material like wood, stone, along with the plant and soft color to make your bathroom feel like a peaceful retreat. Hope you like my ideas. Please, before going to video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Welcome to our natural bathroom. Embrace yourself in the tranquility of nature right in your own home with inspiring collection of nature themes. Bathroom design. From the smoothing sound of trickling water to earthly texture of stone wood, we will guide you throughout creating your own private oasis inspired by great outdoor. Join us as we showcase stunning bathroom renovate dye project and design tape to help you achieve the perfect balance between modern comfort and rustic charms. Whether you are drawn to a simplicity of scantily style or a stunning alias, join our community of liking minded. Embark on a journey to transform your bathroom into a sanctuary where you can escape. Explore our video to see real life example and step by step guide for transforming your bathroom into a calm and relaxing space. Whether you are dry, aesthetic, or just looking for some inspiration, we have got you covered with a practical advice and simple design idea. Join our community of nature loving bathroom aesthetic and start creating our own scantily at home. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest trend and tricks for brings to the beauty of nature into your bathroom. Let's make your bathroom a peaceful